We chose the GMA Kapuso Foundation.
Okay, it's a Valentine's Day fast money round. Let's see who's gonna win the jackpot. Kaya nila yun.
Give me 20 seconds on the clock.
Dojon!
Ano posibleng gawin ni Mrs. sa toothbrush ng manloloko niyang Mister? Go. Lagyan ng
Tapon.
Fill in the blank. Lechong blank.
Lechon kawali. Lechon baksiw.
Kawali. Musical instrument na hinihipan.
A trumpet.
Name something na karaniwang nakakatinga sa ngipin.
I don't even know what that is.
Tinga. Ayaw mong makatabi ang iyaking baby habang ikaw ay nasa.
A church. Ha?
Let's go.
Church? Weird.
Ilang puntos na
Pwede naman.
Posibleng gawin ni Mrs. sa toothbrush ng manloloko niya, Mister. Sabi mo ay, lagyan ng lason. Survey.
Wala yan.
Fill in the blank. Lechong kawali.
Of course, that's obviously the top answer.
Meron. Musical
Or lechon
instrument na
paksiw.
hinihipan, Siyempre, flute. Sabi ng survey dyan ay,
Wow!
something na karaniwang nakatigas sa ngipin.
Something that hardens the teeth.
Pero
Something
sabi
like
ng
that.
survey dyan ay, wala.
Don't even know what that is.
Ayaw mo makatabi ang iyaking baby habang ikaw ay nasa eroplano. Sabi ng survey ay, nice one.
Nice! Halfway there.
Now let's go the princess. Next one from Lex.
Okay, here comes. Yes!
Okay.
Daisy here. I'm very excited.
Good news.
Yes,
Talagang,
Daisy.
grabe,
Yahoo!
complement each other kasi
Oh,
kalahati si Gil.
Nice!
Or
Okay.
exactly 100, kalahati lang ang kailangan ng pang-sino.
Okay.
Para makuha natin
Take it away,
ang
Princess
jackpot.
Daisy.
Kaya good luck.
Yes,
Ito na po
Daisy.
ay nakikita na ng mga manunood ang mga sagot ni Gil. So give me 25 seconds on the clock, please. Ano ang posibleng gawin ni Mrs. sa toothbrush ng manloloko niyang asawa o mister? Go.
Ilagay sa toilet.
Fill in the blank.
Tapo.
Lechong blank.
Paksiw.
Yes,
Musical
correct.
instrument na hinihipan.
Flute.
Bukod
Trumpet.
Trumpeta.
Exactly.
Name something na karaniwang nakakatinga sa ngipin.
Pork chop.
Ayaw mong makatabi ang iyaking baby habang ikaw ay nasa blank.
Pila.
Let's go.
Pila? Ano yun?
100 na. Kayang-kaya
You have to
mo.
specify that, Princess.
Ayaw mong makatabi ang iyaking baby habang ikaw ay nasa pila.
Wala yan.
Ang sabi
Huwag
ng
ka yan.
sabi dyan ay,
Told you, you have to specify.
ang top answer ay sasakyan. Gaya ng
Ah!
sasakyan. Name
I wish I
something
could have
na
gotten higher.
nakakatinga sa ngipin, pork chop.
Talaga ba?
Nandyan ba ang pork chop? Wow.
Yay! Yes!
Top answer.
That's
yan.
it.
Top answer. Musical instrument na hinihipan.
A trumpet, that's the second top answer. Reveal yourself. You got it.
Top
Yes!
answer is flute.
Ta- 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 ta-
Got it.
ta-
Fill in the blank. Lechong. Paksiw.
Paksiw.
Top answer yan, I swear.
Meron?
Oh, come on.
Lechong ano kung top answer? Isa na lang.
28 more points. Can we nail that? Let's see.
28 points. Posible
Yeah.
gawin ni Mrs. sa toothbrush ng manloloko niya, Mister. Sabi mo.
Ilagay sa toilet.
Sino daw?
I said that, itapon.
Nakaganti ka na talaga siguro niya.
Let's see about that.
Ang sabi ng
Yeah,
survey dyan
that's
ay-
just how we win something.
Wow!
Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Oh yeah! Yahoo! We won! Baby Daisy!
Ang lupit!
Bow! Bow! Bow, bow, bow! Come on, everybody. You know what to do. Because you won the jackpot, you know what they say. Let's get this party started! Yay!
Saktong 200.
Ha! I am Daisy!
Yung mga sumagot.
Hanep naman talaga! Ang galing naman yung prinsesa ko! Sakto-sakto! Hanep! Kuya Dong, ganun ka na! Kuya Dong, ano sabihin mo? Ew! Ew! Hanep talaga, Princess Daisy! Ito na, magawa ng hanep cheer! Hanep! Hanep, 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 hanep!
What a sweet win.
Hanep.
Yeah. Wow.
Hanep.
Again, we wish
Hanep.
everyone a happy
Hanep.
Valentine's Day. Alam nyo,
Hanep!
dahil lang po kayo mamaya, sabay-sabay po natin ang panoorin ng Valentine's episode ng Amazing Earth.
Ew! That's right!
Ng mga batang riles. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo, Pilipinas. Ako po si Ding Dong Dantes, araw-araw na maghahatid ng saya at papremyo. Kaya makihula at manalo dito sa
Family Feud! Ew! Happy Valentine's Day, mga kapuso!